Now, let's start the event on an artistry note with the patriotic music performance by Aryan Avasthi and team.
May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this, our own country. A very warm good morning to everyone, respected principal sir, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we gather here to celebrate our nation's independence, let us not forget what Independence Day signifies. It signifies the strength of united people, the power of self-determination, and the beauty of diversity. The struggle for independence was not just for political power, but for the right to determine India's destiny. The need for independence was driven by a better future, a future where India could harness its resources, culture, and human potential to fulfill its aspirations. Let us strive to build a society where every individual can live without fear, where justice is blind, and where the promise of a better future is not just a dream but a reality for all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
They stood united, transcending the barrier of caste, creed, and religion, to fight for a common cause. Their strong belief in the power of unity serves as a shining example for all of us. Independence Day is not just a date on a calendar, it's a symbol of our identity, aspirations, and our collective dreams. It is a day to honor the rich tapestry of our diverse culture, which weaves us together as one nation, one family. But today, my dear friends, independence carries a different meaning. It's not just about breaking free from the shackles of colonial rule. It's about embracing our own individuality, unleashing our inner potential to make a difference, make a better world. Independence Day is not a day to celebrate. It's a call to action. Let us be the change we wish to see in this world. Let us strive for excellence in whatever we do and leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. Let us dream big, work hard, and never lose the sight of our goals. May the spirit of independence guide us. Jai Hind.
To ignite the flame of nationalism within our hearts, I would like to call upon Tanisha and Rupanjali for their music performance.
भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस न केवल ब्रिटिश राज के शासन से भारत की आज़ादी को दर्शाता है, बल्कि ये देश की शक्ति को भी दिखाता है। स्वतंत्रता के बाद युवाओं का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान होता है, विकास में अहम भूमिका निभाते हैं। आजकल के युवाओं ने स्वतंत्रता के बाद का युग बदल दिया है। वे समाज के लिए सक्रिय रहते हैं और देश के विकास में अहम भूमिका निभाते हैं। उन्होंने विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में उद्यमिता और सक्रियता दिखाई है। वे देश के विकास में योगदान दे रहे हैं। युवाओं ने नई विचारधारा, तकनीक और उद्यतन साझा करके समाज को जागृत किया है और शिक्षा के माध्यम से देश के विकास में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है। आज़ादी के बाद औद्योगिकरण में लोगों द्वारा युवाओं की भूमिका दर्शाने के बारे में बात करने के लिए यह विषय बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। युवाओं को आदर्श और उत्साहित बनाने के लिए उन्हें उदाहरण के रूप में प्रदर्शित किया जाना चाहिए। उन्हें उनकी योग्यता, कौशल और ज्ञान के आधार पर चुना जाना चाहिए ताकि उन्हें उच्चतम स्तर पर उभारा जा सके। आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है। खुश नसीब होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Aisha, for that inspiring speech. Now, let's welcome Aditya Murmu to express his views on this auspicious occasion.
India is a land of freedom. India is rich in diversity, where people of different religions, languages, cultures, and traditions live together in harmony. India is a place of opportunities, where you have made remarkable progress in the field of science, literature, technology, and cultures.
To express the inner patriotic emotion through another melodious song, I call upon Arushi Thakur.
मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम, चूम लूँ मैं उस जुबां को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगीन तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू। जितना याद आता है मुझको, उतना तड़पाता है तू, तुझ पे कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान।
खिले चमन तुझ पे दे कुर्बान, तुझ पे दे कुर्बान.
Now, we invite our esteemed principal sir to share a few words and guide our young minds on this significant day.
Yeah, good morning to our parents and wish you all the 77th Happy Independence Day. 1st January 1923, when everybody, the Indian Congress has thought about that to go for Swaraj movement. That means our own state, own country movement. And then it took more than 25 years for them to struggle to come to have the conclude of this, the independent India. 15th August 1947. Yes, your country, our country has now been prospering in this economic, in industrialization, in technology, everywhere. One of my friend has said that, okay, we want to be focused for third nation within three as, okay, the economic status. Yes, all of them, the whole world is watching now. Whole world is watching now that how this country becomes so diverse culture, so different languages, so different states, so different mind, so different religions, but still been united. It's all because of all of you who has to be taken to this future India. Why we are reminding that one again and again? Why we are celebrating? It's because history always reminds us what was our motto and how we have got the situation at present and what should be our status for this future. And if we'll be study the history, we'll never commit that same mistake what we have done it before. That's why we always keep reminding us for celebrating this Independence Day and Republic Day, all this the national celebrations or observation days. And this actually also bring some patriotism among us. Patriotism not like that only I'll hold my flag, okay, high. Patriotism not that, okay, I'll be just give it 10 rupees or 100 rupees to somebody else. Patriotism is that where you love your country, you love your motherland without asking the questions that what India has given to me or my motherland has given to me, rather what I can do for my India. Think on that aspect, definitely the country will give you a lot of things. Thank you all.